Yeah, this is a Schindler. I can tell by the fixtures.
It's gonna be a Schindler 300A or a 330A.
Yeah. Let's see if it has my favorite tone. This one. I can hear it.
It's coming.
Let's see. Yes.
You like that, huh?
Yep, I like that chime.
Okay.
But then...
Now you get the double chime.
Yep.
As soon as I hit one.
Yep. Yes.
So loud.
Like huh?
So loud.
I know. One over at Bloomingdale's is not, I mean, it's actually a little bit louder. And of course, permanent. Oh, it's a temporary. Or is it? No, never mind. And of course, it's like
Well, this is a much newer. I'm surprised the one with such a big cab. You want to say over one more?
Sure. I mean, it's only 2 floors, so I have to go for one more. Rocky takeoff. Yeah, this one sounds kind of jacked up.
That's pretty standard for Schindlers.
Yeah.
They put the chime so loud it makes funky noises.
Yeah. Permit again. It says escalator over here in type of machine. It says escalator.
That means they put the wrong permit in here. That's for the escalators.
Yeah.
Because they have them too. They just
So I want
off
to
the
say this is a
display.
hydraulic?
It is.
Okay. And that will be it for this one.